it's Matthew speaking. Two reasons. The first reason was for another income. The second one is to try to spend more time with the family. Yeah, why did I choose you guys? I've been interested in selling online for a while, and I did do a bit of research. I like the way you came across and how simple the process is. I just got the good vibe, basically. So nothing too scientific. It's just, I just done a bit of research and I found your course suited me more than the others. Why do I like your course? Because it's easy set out. It's set out very easy to understand, and the support that you get after behind the scenes, which I have had to use a few times, and I got the response with more back. And so the backup support has been fantastic. And I like, because I am quite busy sometimes, so there's sometimes I can't get to the online training as much as I can, but I like how I can go back to it whenever I want, and it's just made easy, made simple. Would I recommend this course to someone else? Of course I would. I have recommended it to other people as well, and I would. It's just fantastic people, fantastic support, and just the set out of the course is very simple and nothing too complicated about it. So yes, I would recommend it highly.